Web presence. Let's make sure we've got a strong footprint on online. Um, I like a domain, and this is a kind of a pro tip. Our website is overlap.capital. That's our website. I didn't want to get overlapcapital.com. It's kind of long, and my first name is Adolphus, my last name is Nolan, so that's 13 characters. I didn't want to, overlap capital and then .com at the end. So we found the .capital TLD. We used it. Here's the deal, though. Chase, Chase Bank does not allow the .capital for Zelle. So anytime we're looking to move a little money, we've got to do ETFs. We got to do ACHs, we've got to do wires because there is no Zelling because they don't accept the capital. So they're not updated enough to get that new set of TLDs that are out there, the blogs and the Googles and those types of things. They're not accepting those yet. And that might be the case across the board as well. So we were trying to get cute, get unique, but we paid a price on a few fronts because there's a few websites that don't allow the capital just yet, even though it's a real legitimate domain name. We've definitely got a website. We use it frequently. We've got tons of resources on the overlap.capital website. We want you to have a website that's useful to your customers. We love WordPress. We like go high level, depending on the type of business that you're using. I mean, ClickFunnels is a very similar offering to go high level, but ClickFunnels requires a deeper commitment. It's a little bit more expensive. It's a little bit more complicated. Go high level kind of gets you in there and gets you off the ground pretty quick. So we like them. We love Shopify. We love Squarespace. I think we are starting to come around to Wix. They've had a really rough go at things over the years. So they're finally kind of smoothing out a little bit. But then there's the low to no code offerings, Adalo, Replit, right, that are out there to produce websites. So there's other options out there. But if you want an SEO friendly website, WordPress is top shelf. If there are directories out there, and we've talked about a couple of them, we want to make sure we got our footprint there as well. Blogs and podcasts. Get out there, get out there, talk about the business. This is a web presence slide. It's not just a website. So who you are on the web needs to show up and you need to show out.